The overall goal of this system is to detect consciousness in people with disorders of consciousness and to create a simple communication channel that enables people to give yes-no answers to questions.
The main advantage of the system is that it is effective even for patients without any motor response.
This method can help answer key questions in the medical field, such as whether patients with disorders of consciousness are aware of themselves and the outside world.
This technology can be used for patients with disorders of consciousness, but recently we even established communication for completely locked-in patients.
Begin by connecting the amplifier to the software computer with a USB cable. Plug in the hardware dongle and turn on the amplifier. Use a USB cable to connect the driver box to a free slot on the computer. Then, connect the OUT5, OUT6, and OUT7 labeled connectors to OUT5, 6, and 7 of the driver box respectively. Connect the DIO1 labeled connector to the DIG IO1 socket. Next, connect the 3 tactors to OUT1, OUT2, and OUT3 of the driver box, and connect the Trig Out labeled connector to the Trig Out socket of the audio trigger adapter box. Put the anti-static wristband onto the subject's wrist and connect it to a free power plug. Then, take adhesive tape and fix one tactor on the left wrist, another one on the right wrist, and a third one on the right ankle. Connect one side of a male-male audio